Good morning, welcome into my studio. My name's Rob Kennedy and I'm just going to talk a little bit about the entomorph cicada that I'm sitting next to. The whole thing came about when I've been painting a lot of wine art with reflective glass, metal corkscrews, etc. that had a lot of reflective components to them. And I think I just needed a bit of a change. In so much, I started a painting called Steel Magnolias. Now that's coming up on the screen next to me. And the reason for that is I just wanted to paint something totally different, and it has rusting steel leaves and the stems themselves, instead of being water and concrete, that started. And then I had the thought of putting a lady beetle onto one of the leaves. The painting, the Steel Magnolia, isn't finished now because I had a bit of a hiccup. I didn't think that the lady beetles would be big enough, but I'm still thinking about adding something larger. And when I did that, I thought maybe I could put a chrome beetle in there, or make it half machine, half insect. And that really appealed to me. That sort of gave my sense of humour, and it also opened the option for me to paint a whole bunch of insects that look real, but clearly are not. And there's that more artistic horseshit, the confluence of nature and fantasy. And I mean, it's sort of born from the fact that you see falcons nesting on the windowsills of high-rise buildings, and this is sort of a little bit of a reversal of that. But the main thing is, I'm absolutely loving this work, and I've got a bumblebee in the process. I've also got a Christmas beetle in the process. I hope you come back later because I hope to do at least 10 of these. Now this painting, when sold, also come with a certificate of authenticity. Now I've covered the number up, obviously, but the number under there can be verified on my website so that you can be comfortable in the knowledge that you've got an original, and that will assist you in, should you ever decide to pass it on, that your family or a buyer can see that this is, this part and parcel, and it is an original. I hope you come back and look forward to showing you the bumblebee and the Christmas beetle in the future. Thank you for coming in.